Understanding bowling spell in cricket. Hello, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's not just a part of the language, but a part of a sport deeply loved by millions around the world. Bowling spell in cricket. Whether you're a sports fan or just keen on enriching your English vocabulary, this video is for you. Before we dive into the phrase, bowling spell, let's quickly understand the game it comes from. Cricket. Cricket is a team sport played with a bat and ball, popular in countries like England, Australia, India, and many others. It involves two teams, and the team that scores the most runs wins the game. Now, let's break down what we mean by a bowling spell. In cricket, bowling is the act of delivering the ball to the batsman. A spell refers to a sequence or series. So, a bowling spell is a term used to describe a sequence of overs that a bowler delivers in a game of cricket. Understanding the term bowling spell helps in grasping the game's strategy. A bowler's spell can be crucial in determining the flow of the game. A good bowling spell can put the batting team under pressure, leading to wickets or preventing the scoring of runs. Let's put our phrase into use. Here are some examples. The fast bowler had an impressive bowling spell, taking 3 wickets in 5 overs. The captain is deciding who to give the next bowling spell to, considering the current state of the match. And that's a wrap on bowling spell. Now, when you hear this phrase, you'll understand its significance in cricket and its use in the English language. We hope you enjoyed this lesson and found it informative. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.